The Devil's Flower Mantis. Scientifically known as Idolomantis diabolica, it is one of the largest species of praying mantises, and is possibly the largest that mimics flowers. Its appearance in full threat display is where it got its nickname, Devil's Flower Mantis. With such a unique display, and with the ability to mimic flowers, what else do you know about this odd-looking but beautiful insect? Join us as we learn a little more about this oddly-looking creature. The Devil's Flower Mantis are a unique breed to say the least. Females grow to be about 5.1 inches in length and males to about 3.9 inches. It is native to Ethiopia, Kenya, Malawi, Somalia, Tanzania, South Sudan, and Uganda, and its threat display is magnificently colored with red, white, blue, purple, and black. Their heads contain three vital components: compound eyes, antennae, and mandibles. The compound eyes, composed of thousands of individual photoreceptor cells, enable good eyesight. The arrangement of photoreceptor units, for instance, allows the insect to capture a perceptual span of 180 degrees. This allows it to identify prey and predators without increasing its vulnerability by spoiling its camouflage. The antennae, a pair of long and thin bristles, serve as the insect's sensory perception. Projecting outwards, the antennae can detect much in the surrounding environment such as chemicals, movement, and odors. The male antennae are more developed than those of the females and are feather-like. This allows them to track down females by detecting the pheromones released by the females. These pheromones notify the males that the females are ready to reproduce. The mandibles can be used to tear, puncture, or grind food. The thorax constitutes a large portion of the insect's body. As in all insects, it is composed of three segments: the prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Each section contains one pair of legs. However, the wings are found only on the mesothoracic and metathoracic segments. When confronted by a predator, they initiate a dematic display in an attempt to scare off or momentarily distract a predator. Its front legs, specifically the femora, are raised to expose the conspicuous patterns depicted on the bottom of the thorax and abdomen. Similarly, the wings display a combination of vibrant colors. They have another tactic of shifting its wings left to right to startle and confuse predators. In order to catch prey, they remain motionless, impersonating a flower. Its objective is to seduce the insect into its striking zone. In this zone, it uses the tibiae of its legs to grasp and maintain a strong grip on the prey. The mandibles are then wielded as formidable weapons to decapitate and devour the prey. The dietary preference of the Devil's Flower Mantis are exclusively airborne insects, specifically flies, moths, butterflies and beetles. Before reproducing, mature females display dimorphic features in an attempt to attract males. Females lower the tips of their abdomens and raise their wings slightly to expose more of the uppermost side of the abdomen, thus releasing pheromone to attract a mate. However, sexual cannibalism is prominent among pairs that remain in captivity. Due to their precautious nature, intrusive environments lead to aggressive behavior. A female deposits some 10 to 50 eggs in an ootheca. The period between egg-laying and hatching varies according to temperature and humidity, but about 50 days would be typical. After hatching, the nymphs feed on small insects such as houseflies and fruit flies. Males develop into adults after undergoing ecdysis about 7 times into successive instars, while females mature after about 8 instars. The lifespan of the Devil's Flower Mantis varies according to the habitat, but is typically about 12 months. So, what do you think of the Devil's Flower Mantis? Did you learn anything new about them? Do you think these would make an awesome pet? Drop a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching.